What's up, guys? And today the postman disturbed me while playing Call of Duty. But it was for a good cause, cause I ordered two things from Budget Gadgets under $11, no, $14. So let's go ahead and open it. Looks like they lied to us. This is Miracle Blade right there. Sharpest knife in the world. It can cut anything. Share pink piece of tape. Okay, this is the Apple iPod or any charger. Just plug in a USB right there and plug it into the wall. And I think this was $5. It's the Apple one, and it's for the iPhone, and it's for the iPhone, but I think it's for the iPod also. I think this was $6. There it is. It has a dock connector, 30 pin. And I'm using my iPod right now, so I can't really show you, but I'll take a picture of it. And I think this is the audio, and this is where your iPod goes. You just put it on your desk, and that's it. So I got these two for $14 because I did the $3 thing. But whoever orders from Budget Gadgets, they'll know the $3, $2, $0 thing. But anyways, thanks for watching. Remember to comment, rate, and subscribe.